Bonjour mes étudiants 7th standard. So welcome you all for this new session. So lesson 5 Saint Noël. So this is where we are, and so far we have finished this. Aujourd'hui c'est le 25 décembre. French passage. Couchez la bonne réponse. Répondez, dites vrai ou faux. And I taught you seasons. So I gave you few exercises to do, and we will see those exercises, as well as we will concentrate on this, that is ER based verbs. So we'll concentrate on this ER based verbs. There are some changes in that, so we will concentrate on that, and probably we will finish this lesson today, because already we have finished many things. Expression with faire. So la negation already we have seen, so there is a small difference. So I'll tell you the difference here. So even last class we were seeing negation, so the same will repeat, but there will be some difference, a slight difference. So I will address that. So I will try to finish as much as I can. And last class I told you the answers for exercise number 1, so I'll give you the answers for exercise number 2. So I verbally dictated last class, but I'll show you the solutions today. And exercise number 3 I gave you as a homework. For that I'll show you the solutions. So in case if you have not completed, you can take it down. I'll read it once. And what we are going to see today, we are going to see exercise number 4 and exercise number 5. I think I'll give you as a homework, exercise number 5, and exercise number 6 is general question, and exercise number 7 already I gave you as a homework. I will give you the solutions for it now. And exercise number 8 already we have seen, and exercise number 9 and 10. So I'll try to finish as much as I can. Why? Because your midterm is arriving very shortly. That is November 1st week or 2nd week you might have your midterm. So I would like to finish this lesson. I want you to go for lesson number 6. So let's try to finish as much as we can today. Okay, so first we'll take down the answers and then we'll get back to the lesson. So here's the answer for exercise number 2. So kindly I will read it once and you can take it down. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Je fais un gâteau. À quelle heure nous faisons nos devoirs? D'abord vous faites une promenade. Ensuite on fait ses devoirs. Ils font de la gymnastique. Oui, mais faites attention s'il vous plaît. Est-ce qu'il fait froid? Non, il ne fait pas froid, j'ai chaud. Qui fait la cuisine? Elles font la cuisine aujourd'hui. So already I have explained this expression using faire verb. So what you do is you pause the video, take down the answers and resume the video. Go to the next exercise. So definitely this is your homework. Okay, I might ask or I might not ask for your midterm. Anyway, you just take down the answers. In case if you have not completed this homework, take down the answers. I'll read it once. Il pleut, le ciel est gris. Il y a des fleurs roses dans le jardin. Les cerises sont rouges. Ma voiture est blanche. C'est le printemps, les feuilles sont vertes. Le lait est blanc. J'ai les cheveux noirs. J'aime la couleur blanche. Mon livre de français est bleu. Au printemps, le ciel est bleu. I'll make it very short. See, in case if it is masculine, no need to do any changes. In case it is feminine, the spellings might change. For example, blanche, it is a feminine word because la couleur, ma voiture, so both are feminine. In case it is feminine plural, so es will come, it is feminine plural. If it is masculine plural, what? Just add an s. So these rules already I have told you n number of times, and that's why I gave this as a homework. In case if you have not completed, just take it down. Okay, so once you take it down, you can go for the next one. So now pause the video, write the answer and go for the next one. Now this is also I gave you as a homework, and this is expression de faire, expression de faire. So the same as exercise number 2, but this is just something you have to fill on your own. So I gave this as a homework and I want to give the solution. I'll read it once. As I said before, these are just solutions, okay? So already we have discussed this, so I don't want to waste a lot of time. I will read it once and then you can write it, okay? C'est mon anniversaire, ma mère fait un gâteau. En été, il fait chaud en Inde et en Arabie Saoudite. Nous sommes dans les Alpes, nous faisons du ski. Elle va dans le parc, elle fait une promenade. Je porte un chandail, il fait froid. So what you do is just pause the video, take down the answers and resume and just continue seeing the video. Okay, so I'll always have a pencil with you. You can just take down the answers in your book or wherever which is comfortable for you. Why I'm giving you the answers very soon? Because next week you should submit your classwork. I want your classwork submitted and completed. Okay, that is very, very important, and that's why I am showing you the answers now. Okay, so here is a list of 5 questions, general questions. So from this I would like to explain you something. So first one is combien de mois y a-t-il dans une année? So these are general questions, you can write it on your own. Anyway, I'll show you the answers. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. So very simple, 12 mois. Okay, nommez les 12 mois de l'année. So already you know, les 12 mois de l'année sont janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. From your 6th standard you have been learning this. And combien de jours y a-t-il dans une semaine? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. So 7 days in a week. Nommez les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine sont lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So 7 days, Monday to Sunday. Nommez les 4 saisons. Les 4 saisons sont l'été, le printemps, l'automne, l'hiver. So that's it. So far what I have shown you was exercise which I gave you as a homework, and I wanted you to write the homework. So those exercises we have covered so far. Now I am going to explain you today's portion, that is conjugation. Okay, so after pause the video, after completing this, you resume the video and just take the page number in your book. Okay, so here we are in page number 59. So this we are going to learn today. Okay, so the difference, acheter, commencer, what are the verbs? So ER verbs, some little difference. So that is what we are going to see. Some nuances, we can say, small difference. Okay, so already you know the ER verb conjugation. So in case if it is ER verb, ending should be E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So no change in that one. But when you get this verb, acheter verb, for the phonetic sound there is a change. So this E alone should be E accent grave. Okay, O accent grave. J'achète, tu achètes, il achète, elle achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, ils achètent, elles achètent. That means the sound should decrease. Okay, so when you get this acheter verb in conjugation, that means you must write this accent. In case if you fail to write this accent, you cannot get the mark. So now we are concentrating on exercise number 4 as well as exercise number 4 and as well as exercise number 9. So I am teaching 2 exercises at one time. Okay, one is statement type and one is conjugation type. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are concentrating on exercise number 4 and exercise number 9. So please listen actively. Okay, see exercise number 4, it is in sentence format. and exercise number 9 it is in conjugation format. So both the exercises we are going to see. Okay, so we'll go for the same page. So I'll make it very simple for you. Okay, okay, this is when you get this verb ashate verb, what you have to do, this e alone you have to take care. Okay, you have to use a accent. That is one done. And commence verb, everything the same, but this nu form alone, say sedil, see a small snake or small 5 down the C should be written. Okay, that is very very important. In case if you miss the C, you will definitely lose 5 marks. Everything is wrong, the whole conjugation will go wrong. So that is what they say. See, note, there is an accent grave on that is E accent, before the silent E. The accent is missing on nu and vu. Yeah, this one I forgot to tell you. Nu and vu alone will not have that accent. Why? Because the ton, te, this doesn't need any phonetic change, but this needs a phonetic change, and that's why there is a difference. Okay, so como say, same thing. The C takes a say sedil in nu form to retain the sound s, like a snake. Okay, so place to place is also conjugated like como say. So there is another verb called placer. Even that verb is conjugated in the same form. In that verb, nu plaçons will come. In that nu plaçons, say sedil will come. Okay, that's what they try to say. So what are the other verbs which has the same formation like achete? See, pese, gele, mene. So these verb has 2 e's and there is a consonant in between them. In that case, the first e will have the accent. Okay, and all these 3 verbs will not have any accent when it is nu and vu. So that you should take care. And there is another 2 more verbs, pele, leve, that means to peel and to raise. So we are so far done with achete and commence. Now we are going to appeler and jeter. Appeler, jeter. You need not see this faire verb, already we are done with that. So concentrate on these 2 verbs alone. Okay, appeler. Appeler verb already you know, it is a reflexive verb. J'appelle, tu t'appelles, il appelle, elles appellent, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent, elles appellent. I'll give you a very very simple idea, that is enough for you. Whenever it is nu and vu, don't do any changes. You can see here only the verb itself has a single L. Other than that, it should be double L. Okay, that is the only shortcut I would say. Okay, so nu and vu single L, other it should become double L. Why do we do all these changes? That is very simple. That is the doubling of L before the silent endings of je, tu, il, al, il, for form of verbs. So this double L is to just increase the accent or increase the phonetic of that particular word. No special reason. So make it simple. Nu and vu single L. Other things, other je, tu, il, al, double L. The same thing I am just going to tell here. Jeter verb. See here only single T. Vu, just one T is there. Other than that, everything has 2 T's. So this is the simplest way to remember it. So I don't want to confuse you a lot by reading this note and everything. I repeat everything. Achete, E accent. For nu and vu, no accent. Commence, say sedil. And appeler and jeter, double T except nu and vu. That's it. So with this, we'll go for the exercise. And exercise number, this exercise I want you to take it as a homework. Anyway, I'll just in case if there is a time, I'll just explain you 1 or 2. So here we are. So now I am going to finish exercise number 4 and exercise number 9. After this, finishing this exercise, I'll go to exercise number 9. Okay. Tu jettes, Jettees. Nous ne jetons. So when it is nous, only T, one single T should be used. So Jetons. Nous dash acheter, achetons. So acheter, only nous and vous, no accent, E accent should be used. So ACHETONS. But here il, what you should do, the accent should be introduced. Achet, E accent should come. Al, appelle, double L should come. APPELLE. Vous, only single L should come. APPELEZ. Jacques et Mier, so two people, so it will become ILS. So commence, COMMENCENT. So when you get this commence verb, it is very easy. Only for nous form you should use that S in the C drop. Okay. So commençons, when you get that snake sound, commençons, that you have to introduce ONS. Il, elle, you all know this already, fair verb. Il fait, elle font. Okay. Now very simple, I'll show you the answers and let's discuss once more. So here we are, je jette, see, double TES because it is tu. When it is nous, it becomes one T. Nous, one T, achetons. Il, so the accent is used here, E accent. See, elle, double L. Vous, single L. Jacques, so both the people are, one is male and one is female, so ILS. Commence, ENT. Nous commençons. Il fait chaud en été. Elles font les devoirs. I will read the sentence once again. Je jette ces journaux. Nous ne jetons pas les journaux. Nous achetons les livres. Il achète les cahiers. Elle appelle les professeurs. Vous appelez les étudiants. Jacques et Merveille commencent la classe. Nous commençons la classe. Il fait chaud en été. Elles font les devoirs. So that's how it is done. Pause the video, take the answers. Now we'll go for exercise number 9. So we are in exercise number 9. So same thing. Commencer. Je commence la classe. Tu commences la classe. Il, elle commence la classe. Nous commençons la classe. Vous commencez la classe. Il, elle commence la classe. So that's it. Commencer already we have done. Same thing. We are introducing la classe next to it. And fair verb. Je ne fais pas la leçon. So ne pas. So ne in front of the verb and pas after the verb. So very simple. Je ne fais pas la leçon. Tu ne fais pas la leçon. Il, elle ne fait pas la leçon. Nous ne faisons pas la leçon. Vous ne faites pas la leçon. Ils, elles ne font pas la leçon. Pause the video, take the answers and then move to 3 and 4. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds gap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause it, write it and then continue. Now third one, appelle. I am not doing any changes. Same thing what we saw in the tabular column. Double L, double L, double L, single L, single L, double L. J'appelle un garçon. Tu appelles un garçon. Il, elle appelle un garçon. Nous appelons un garçon. Vous appelez un garçon. Ils, elles appellent un garçon. Ne pas acheter des fruits. N'achète, N apostrophe. So here two things, N apostrophe and also the accent. But for nous and vous, no accent. Je n'achète pas des fruits. Tu n'achètes pas des fruits. Il, elle n'achète pas de fruits. Nous n'achetons pas de fruits. Vous n'achetez pas de fruits. Il, elle n'achète pas de fruits. Now, very simple. As we saw in the tabular column, it exists. Okay. Now pause the video, take the answers and then move to the fifth one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, write and then move to the fifth one. Jeter, same thing as appeler. double T, double T, double T, nous and vous, single T, last one double T. Je jette les papiers, tu jettes les papiers, il, elle jette les papiers, nous jetons les papiers, vous jetez les papiers, il, elle jette les papiers. So we will have today's online test on exercise number 4 and exercise number 9, because this is very, very important. Definitely you will get 20 marks from this for your second midterm. Okay, so definitely this second midterm you will have this conjugation. Now so far we have completed exercise number 4 and exercise number 6 already given, 7 given, 8, 9 also already given, and exercise number 10 I'll show you, we can take it down, and what is left out is exercise number 5. Exercise number 5 already you know, I want you to take it as a homework. Vous avez des bonbons, vous n'avez pas des bonbons. I'll just give you one difference. What is that? I'll just explain you that and then we will finish it up. Okay, so going to this negative page, that is page number 61. I'll make it very simple, don't worry. See, whenever it is a quantity, DES, whatever quantity it is, or DES, sum, you should introduce DE. That is the only thing. So I don't want to make a big confuse for you. And whenever it is ath verb, okay, whenever it is ath verb and the quantity is there, whenever it is ath verb alone, you should use du, de la, del apostrophe or des. Okay, and whenever it is definite article, elle a le stylo, elle n'a pas le stylo, elle a la règle, elle n'a pas la règle. So the same thing you have to repeat. You understand? So I repeat once again, whenever it is quantity with some other verbs, avoir, you should use DE, and whenever it is ath verb, you should, instead of DE, you should use the DE, LA, DU, like that. Okay, I'll help you with this. So first one I said, second one acheter, je n'achète pas un crayon. So here it is un crayon, right? So that is what the difference is. See, vous avez des bonbons. So this they should become D. Vous n'avez pas de bonbons. Okay. J'achète un crayon. So un should become de crayon. Ils ont des cahiers. So our verb, what? De cahiers. Ils n'avons pas de cahiers. Here it is ath verb. Whenever it is ath verb, you should use the same. Je ne suis pas étudiant. Je ne suis pas étudiant. Okay. Il y a une table. Il n'y a pas de table. It's because our verb. Il regarde le tableau. So le is here. So le you have to repeat the same. Il ne regarde pas le tableau. So again la. So you have to repeat the same. Il ne commence pas la leçon. So not a very big difference, very, very minute difference. Eighth one, they is here. So they should become the. Le professeur ne donne pas de stylo. And this one is again they. So de. Je ne mange pas de chocolat. Okay. And last one is what? See, ath verb. Now you should be very careful. Ce ne sont pas des glaces au chocolat. So don't change here because it is ath verb. Our verb, change it. I will show you the answers. Don't worry. So kindly take down the answers once I finish reading. Vous n'avez pas de bonbons. Je n'achète pas de crayons. Ils n'ont pas de cahier. Je ne suis pas étudiante. Il n'y a pas de table. Il ne regarde pas les tableaux. Il ne commence pas la leçon. Le professeur ne donne pas le stylo. Je ne mange pas de chocolat. Ce ne sont pas des glaces au chocolat. See, after verb don't change anything. Okay, D is as it is. But here D has become D. Here D has become D. Okay, even though it becomes DES to DE, the ending should remain the same. Yes, yes. Don't change the plural. See, pa, pa, la exists the same. And DES become DE. See, after verb, no change. Again here DES become DE. DES become DE. Same thing. So, whenever it is over verb, DES will become DE. Secondly, whenever it is after verb, don't change anything. And whenever it is definite article, use la. That's it. Okay, so take down the answers and then you can move on to the next one. So this is the last one, nothing but décrivez votre saison préférée. Ma saison préférée, je préfère le printemps. Il fait beau, le ciel est clair, les oiseaux chantent partout. Il y a des fleurs de toutes couleurs, les feuilles sont vertes. C'est aussi la fête de Pâques en France. Just take it as it is. So this is just a paratype, nothing to explain here. Just take this. So with this, we are completing lesson 5. So as I said before, I want your classworks completed. Translation, grammar part, everything. So these 3 pages should be in your grammar. That is page number 59, 60, 61. Should be in your grammar, and other things, vocabulary and other exercise, whatever I showed you as a solution, write it. And upcoming week you must submit your lesson 5 completed. That is the very important thing, and that is why I showed you all the solutions. Okay, so kindly make it fast, because very shortly your midterm is approaching, and that's why it is little early. Okay, so don't think we are giving lot of stuffs. It's your duty to complete it. Fine. So today's online test will be based on exercise number 4 and exercise number 9, and I gave you this as a homework, and also I show you the solutions. You practice this. Okay, that is the only thing I want from your side, and complete your classwork on time. Okay, so merci beaucoup, bonne journée. Lesson 5 is done. Okay, merci. C'est Noël is over. Okay, so next class we will start lesson 6. Fine. So merci, bonne journée.